Hey everyone, Charlene Bauer, Ladies Off-Road Network, and we're camping! Cowbells, 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 let's have some fun! So this is going to be the sign when dinner's ready, lunch is ready, breakfast is ready, and or it's time to learn something. How do you like that? Glitter teal? Of course it is. Yes, so it is time to go camping, ladies. Everybody say hello. Let me say my hello so we can get this rocking and rolling. You think that I don't have a tent? What the heck? All right, so we got a tent, we got the setup, we got an air mattress, we got a sleeping bag, towel, sheet set, pillow, lights, chair. You can't see the chair. It's right over there. Chair. And this is what we now have as a camping kit for all of the ladies that want to come camp with me now. So you can fly in, bring that old roller bag, and throw it on in there and come camp with me, because wouldn't that be fun? I know. So we are going camping this weekend, and I can't wait for a bunch of girls to be coming, flying in and hanging out with me while we camp. This is what it's going to look like. Yep, does it look like I'm already camping? Because I'm not. I'm in my living room. Shh. If you're on Instagram, you can see that. If you're on Facebook, it looks like, oh, there's beautiful pine trees all around. Yep, got you fooled. Oh, that's gonna get annoying, huh? All right, but anyways, this is the camping kit. I'm really excited about it because this weekend, if you missed the big announcement, we canceled the convention. It was a struggle. It was hard. It hurt. There was a lot of things that hurt about it, and said, can't do it, not doing it. But instead, I decided to go camping and go wheeling. Well, guess what? You all decided that that was a great idea too. And so you're going camping and wheeling with me. Yes. And so we are going to go do that. It has been quite an interesting less than a week to put all of this together to make sure that everybody is comfortable and secure and having a good time and everything else that goes along with that. So we've been taking some precautions, just as I would hope that you would for anybody else. And one of them is we made everybody a face mask. So as you come in, you have an option of a white or a blue. Can you see these? Or a blue. They're the face guard thingies. A black. So once we're done with all this nonsense, you can still wear this while you're out wheeling. It's a dust mask. So you can put it on, and now we're Ladies Off-Road Network, branded, and it's one special person, not sure who that special person is yet, is gonna get this one. How about that? I mean, you gotta have the smiley face one, right? So, so we have face masks for everybody. We have all the great things that need to go into just making sure that everybody feels comfortable while hanging out together. Isn't that weird? Isn't it weird? Like when I put something out, I'm like, hey, and you're gonna have to be blindfolded at some point. So I have 4 blindfolds, but if you want to bring one so that you can put your own on, I'm fine with that. Remember when that used to be okay to do? I don't know, it's just, Piston would like to say hello. If you guys saw in the post the other day, Piston just got a bath, and he is all so pretty and clean. You can't tell, but he's shedding like a son of a gun. Oh my gosh, all over my shirt. That was a bad plan. All right, well, that one's going straight into the wash. Bad plan. today. We also need to do our impact giveaway really fast. But other than that, I just wanted you to see what we had going on here. That we are having a great time, that we're ready to go camping. Piston's ready to go camping, everybody's ready to jump in. We have all kinds of fun stuff that we're gonna do, including, you guys ready for this? The girls put together bingo cards. So we have bingo cards that have things that Charlene might say, which is also highly hysterical because this list, I mean, when do I ever say bad plan? So these are bingo cards that you're gonna have to listen to what I say, and then you can win big prizes. Like I pulled out the big stuff for this one. Sunflower, use your tools, didn't die, happy, glitter jet, glitter, stay on task, let's be real, represent, resilient, boobs and butt, the why, epic, wiggle, 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 flamingos, super rad, represent, resilient, happy, interestingly. There's a whole bunch of these. They're all unique and they're all ready for the ladies to play bingo and win some cool stuff. So that's one of the things that's happening. What else? Oh, the other thing that we had to do is, well, we're camping, and we're 100% responsible. We're 100% about tread lightly. And we don't want to leave white flowers all over our camping area. So, we put together kits with toilet paper in Ziploc bags. Well, I had a bunch of different size Ziploc bags, apparently. And so we used what we had, right? And then we started looking at them because then we got to the snack bag, like this size, and Jessica's like, there's no way, like we're not using this. And I'm like, but we have to because I'm not going to the store, I'm not buying any more Ziploc bags, like this is just what's gonna happen. So we looked at the 3 different sizes of Ziploc bags for picking up your toilet paper, right? After you poop or pee, whatever, picking up your toilet paper. You cannot leave it in the woods. So we have 3 sizes of Ziploc bags and we named them. So you can start off as a rookie with the biggest Ziploc bag you get, and then you'll move up to the amateur level, which is just a little bit smaller. This is like your sandwich size Ziploc bag, and then you will move into your pro status, which is your snack bag. So we were rolling in here in the office with this whole plan. I mean, who makes toilet paper interesting? We do. We make toilet paper interesting. So you'll start off with the rookie status, and then you'll move on to your amateur status, and then you have plenty of pro status toilet paper bags in order to utilize. Yes, so that's what we've been doing in the office. Well, among like a million other things. This our poor printer hasn't stopped printing pretty much in 5 days, getting the logos ready to go onto shirts, the lifetime memberships ready to go onto the arms of the clothes that people are bringing that become a lifetime member that we can go ahead and label up. We have activities that I have planned, some really fun stuff that I've gathered together. I have a bunch of things, a bunch of gifts that needed to leave here and need to go to your house. So like I told all the girls, I'm like, hey, when you pack your bag, give yourself a few extra pounds in order for it to take stuff home. And then we have lots of food, mostly snacks. I mean, I'll feed real food, but yes. And then the other thing that we have going on is we're going wheeling. I know, but it's not my plan. This is the best part, is the girls are putting the plan together to actually figure out what trails to go on. So that's really exciting to me too. Like, it's just a group of us going out and having a great time, and it's just going to be a ton of fun. So if you're coming in late, I just want to show you, this is our camping package that if you decide to fly in and come camping with me, we got you set up. So you got a tent, air mattress, sleeping bag, a pillow, a set of sheets, a towel, a light, a chair, a tarp, and not the cat. I'll keep the cat. So that's what's going on. Okay, really quick, we will do our giveaway. Where'd it go? There it is. So we have, it is the end of the month. Holy cow, what happened to July? It went down the tubes really fast with all of our chaos and frustrations. But it's okay, because now we have the NonCon, not presented by BFGoodrich Tires event going on this weekend, with just a group of girls hanging out, going camping. So it should be a lot of fun. But that also leaves us at the end of the month here with the BFGoodrich Tires. Now, if you guys were with us last week, you will know that we extended this to the end of August. And there's a reason why we'll be talking about that as we fall into August. But this gives you more time, 1, to make sure that you're entered, 2, to help other people get entered, and 3, for you to get additional entries into this giveaway. So BFGoodrich Tires is giving away either the Cam 3s or KO2s, set of 5 up to 37 inches. So very exciting. If you guys have not registered for that already, you should be registered for that already, right? Right. Okay. This one is the giveaway that's going on right now as well. Bring somebody new to the party. Some of you guys are making some awesome posts out there. Make sure that you are representing that online and talking about it, because that will get you into the drawing for that backpack and the teal kit and a few other things as well. All right. So make sure that you are telling me when you do something where you're bringing somebody to the party, so that we can put you into that drawing. So this is now quarterly, not monthly, because it's going to take us just a little bit more. Oh yeah, remember this? Yeah, past history, but we're still going to go have fun. But the impact, I did go ahead and print it out for August, because we are going to do the impact giveaway right now. And it is a hat and a t-shirt and a koozie and a BFG ball. So a good group of entertaining things there. We did have a few impacts. If you guys aren't putting them in, please put them in, because I know you guys impact each other. I know you do. All right, and so, oh, I just flew one out of the bucket. So that's the one. That's the one, which is Marissa. Yes, Marissa. I have to give a shout out to Dana Anderson. She is always calling just to check in with me and see how life is going on this side of the country. Thank you, Dana. There's a bear on the outside of my tent. Can you hear it? What's going on over there? That's not good. What kind of an animal is out there? I think it's a piston. So congratulations to Dana Anderson. You got the impact giveaway for August. How about July? How about it's not August yet? So again, from Marissa, I have to give a shout out to Dana Anderson. Big bear. What do we do now? That's kind of scary. She's always calling just to check in with me and see how life is going on this side of the country. Thank you, Dana. And I will say she calls me too and checks on me too, so I do appreciate that as well. So Dana, we will ship that out to you in August. How about that plan? So for those of you that are just coming in, hello, we're camping. This is the camping kit. If you're flying in to come visit me and camp with me, we got you covered. Air mattress and the sleeping bag and a pillow and a sheet kit and a towel. And look, your roller bag fits just fine right there. Get a light and a chair and a tarp. They're all out here. And everything is awesome. So I cannot wait to go camping. Oh, you think I'm camping right now? I'm in my living room. I know, but that's a cowbell, and I'm leaving in a couple hours. So I will be leaving here in a couple hours, and I will be offline, off the grid, off having fun with a bunch of ladies, going camping, going wheeling, and I appreciate all of you guys for all of your support. It's been what a year. Cannot wait for you to join me on a camping trip, hopefully sometime soon. And let's start saying our goodbyes, because Charlene has a lot more to do before the beef hits the road. The Jeep is already loaded. That's the good news. We got a plan. The Jeep needs to go up on the trailer. It's not loaded that way. The other trailer is fully loaded, and I'm waiting on a couple more things to be delivered, but I also have a special person that's going to be picking stuff up for deliveries. And then I have, what else do we have to do? Oh, I should pack some clothes, because that's always the last thing I do. And I don't know. That's about it. Throw some cats in and we're out of here. All right. Say your goodbyes. I wish those of you that were not camping with us are coming to camp with us. Otherwise, we're going camping. It's going to be fun. All right. We'll see you guys soon than later. We'll check in with you next Tuesday. As long as that pesky bear, did you hear it? I think its name is Piston. Who's trying to get us? All right. You guys have a great night. I appreciate you. And just don't forget, we got this. You got this too. I want to really give the people some credit that are coming this weekend. They overcame some adversity. They overcame challenges. They overcame a lot of things to be able to come this weekend. And I'm not talking negatively to anybody that wasn't able to make it happen for this weekend, but I do want to acknowledge the people that did make it happen, because that was a fast rotation. That was a fast opportunity, and these girls really made it happen. So super proud of you guys, super impressed, and we're just gonna go have a great time in the dirt in a tent. Who would have thought? All right. Bye.